very briefly introduce our next panel, which is focusing on agricultural robotics research. The panelists are going to be, the panel is going to be moderated by Ken Goldberg, who is the director of the CITRIS People and Robots Lab and a professor at UC Berkeley. He will be joined by Stavros Vougioukas, who's at UC Davis and is involved in the Smart Farm, and also by Joshua Viers and Stefano Carpin from UC Merced. And they have just landed a very interesting project. In fact, there are many interesting projects on the go. And without further ado, I'd like to hand over to Ken to continue our next panel.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Andrea. Really a terrific session and set of talks that you've arranged today. I really appreciate that from Jim, who I've known for many years since back in our days at Carnegie Mellon. And I'm so glad to see the level of interest. I mean, you have close to 100 people online. And one of the things I'm very excited about is also hearing from some of our colleagues in the CITRIS program. This includes the campuses of Merced and Davis and Berkeley. And we have been looking at problems and challenges in robotic assisted agriculture for a number of years. I would say Stefano and Stavros and Josh have much deeper experience than I do in these areas. And so I'm going to let them take the floor first. They're going to summarize some recent work, and then I'll say a few words, and then we'll open up for a discussion.